Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, top level expansion. Now it's time for the layout manager.
Custom layouts, and it sets that.
Is this option. File doesn't mention that, so he works with the layouts without never using the layout manager, which I think is a good start. So you need to go. Do you remember what was the name of this? Main menu. Yep. Then the Windows submenu, then layout and layout manager. Those are the ones I have here. By default, you have browser, classic, contents, last used, that it's dummy. It's not one specific layout, it's the last that has been used. And warrior, you may also have by default. Do you see I have more? YT stands for YouTube. Now I have this one. Why this is useful? First, you can have many layouts. In the options, you only have 9, including the last used, so 8 more. In case it doesn't fit here, it's not there, you'll need to go to the layout manager. And in this case, it's also useful. For instance, I don't want this one, the B. I can just delete it and gone. Or you can click and set as default. Same experience that if I go and say custom, I can make this, but I will have to use the same name. So I'm sure that I'm overriding. I'm updating the layout. So I will have to call it YT2 or YT and save it. It's a lot easier if you do it on the manager. And at the same time, you can see which one is the default. So now my current layout is YT for YouTube. And my default is the same. So now if I apply, let's say, the browser, the default is the same, YT. There's one option that I can select, and it's the warrior layout, F5. That's the one. This is built in. So even if I deleted that, or I change the name or whatever, this still is present. It's hard-coded in Supermemo in the code. And you also have the classic layout, which happens to be the same. So let me show this to you. I go to the layout manager, classic. I got rid of that, delete. Cool. Then let me select my default. Nice. Then what happens if I click classic? Oops. Okay, something weird, but if I come on again, here we go. So now it reappears again, the classic. Same for the warrior. It's a window that you may use just a few times, but it's good to know when you need it. That, oh shoot, I have so many layouts because of the laptop, this is for video, very specialized. Then, oh shoot, I cannot access this with the key bindings. Well, I have that one. Or now I have moved to a different computer. Then I want a different layout to be the default. Because, spoiler alert, this is not my default, by the way. I make the default on this computer because I use it to record videos. But in reality is that I do this once when I do a recover from a backup. The one I use the most is this, laptop 2024. That's my real, genuine default on my genuine collection. Nice. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.